Since we're deep on the Tesla talk today, how about a secret butthole Easter egg?
Butthole.
You know these cars are full of Easter eggs, right?
Yeah.
All kinds of special abilities that many people don't know about. They can dance and open and close doors if it's the Model X, and jingle bells, and I don't,
Yeah, it's fun stuff.
Special tricks. Well, the new one here, or at least I haven't heard of this one before, the butthole Easter egg. Now, before you read down, I want you to take a guess what the butthole Easter egg is. Oh, you're reading too much. You already looked.
I didn't.
Well, you got to stop looking at the screen then, because you might see something over
there. Butthole. Some sort of farting noise? I don't know.
It's not a bad guess. The command is, the voice command is open butthole. Now, that will open the charge port, and close butthole will close the charge port. The door on where the charge port is.
Right. Okay, well.
Now, if you were a Tesla owner, would you use this command?
Maybe once or twice when my friends are.
But what if you start to get used to it?
Open butthole? I don't think I would say it.
It's a little much.
If I'm alone, it's like it's too cheeky.
Otis looks at you sideways. Hey man, easy.
Excuse me.
If you scroll down, you can see, I think it was there's like a TikTok, a guy actually doing it. Yeah, you can see here. You just say open butthole, and
if you say open hole, your Tesla charge port will open.
This guy tries it out.
Open
Jeremy
butthole.
Judkins 2 on TikTok. Look at that. Boom, door opens up.
Close butthole.
There you go. It's got how many of these things in there? Are people still discovering Easter eggs? Like, why is this one in the news right now? I guess maybe people are. I'm sure some people knew about it. But that's some fun to have with when your car can surprise you months later.
Yeah. Bunghole. There's also bunghole.
So it will respond to either of those.
Yeah. Well, that's fun.
Oh, wow. Look at this. Comments from other Tesla owners indicated that open butthole actually opens their vehicle's rear trunk instead. So you don't even know what you're going to get. Your own car may have.
Surprise.
Well, hopefully when we get.
It opens your butthole.
Oh, hey.
Like, whoa, geez.
Yeah.
I didn't want this.
No, it actually listens to you?
Yeah.
No, you don't want that. Anyway, I thought that was a weird finding right there.